you guys are probably wondering what we're doing. Unfortunately, we're changing a light bulb. So much for a Mazda.
Так, Matthew, что мы делаем?
We're changing a light bulb, прикинь.
Yeah.
The whole wheel off.
So basically, in his Mazda,
Unfortunately, it's mine.
you cannot change the headlights by opening the hood. To get it, you have to take this panel off and the wheel.
What am I even here? Is this what you need?
Not like that, like this.
Is that a Phillips?
Yeah, that's a Phillips. Okay, guys. So here's what's going on. We took that wheel off.
Sadly, the wheel fell off.
No,
No, just kidding.
But,
we tore it off.
We added to this. And yeah, because his headlights cannot be changed by opening the hood because of all kinds of frame and stuff.
Prikинь, engineers.
But look down here. After you're taking off the wheel, you need to grab a Phillips screwdriver, Mr. Phil here.
I think this must be a manufacturer error. Look
and
how
then you gotta unscrew these right here. Is it just little clips? Just watch me do them. It's not that hard.
I don't want to watch.
There, они сняты сейчас. One of them is.
This thing is a pain in the butt.
Смотрите,
I'm telling you guys.
Идемте сюда, ребята.
Don't get a Mazda.
No, get a Mazda. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Good on gas. Смотри, прикиньте. Look, мы уже сняли их. Вот, видишь? Мы уже сняли их, типа.
Я не прикидываю.
And then we gotta do some more here. They're very simple.
I like how you're like, мы почти сняли, and then you're like, we have to do something more here.
Bro, and by the way, bro, I think you got one missing right here.
Slava Bogu, less work.
No! You don't want your plastic hitting on the stuff. Так, this one is
I was wondering what was rattling when I drive.
This is a противная one because it's
because it's a Mazda one. I see why we're losing them.
That just came from me. That's nothing.
Sure.
Так. Not that. That's.
And then don't you gotta do this one too?
No, that's the metal.
And we gotta take the fender off. Remember?
No, you don't.
Let's hope not.
Кто тебя научил, что fender надо снять? And these just просто pops right off. Так. I gotta make sure there's no other ones here. Oh yeah, there is some here.
Yeah, man.
Так.
All right, I'm gonna get the light bulb. Yep.
And you can stop recording and do multiple videos because it won't send that at once.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
This guy decided to go sunbathing.
There's one right here.
He said something about tape.
Yeah, because he said last time he used duct tape.
We didn't. I was kidding.
Так.
We're still here, struggling.
Okay.
All this work just
Alright,
to
guys,
change
right
a
here.
light
So I
bulb.
open this up. Come here. Come take a look. I'm gonna shine my light on here so you can see what's going on. Смотри. So right here is that bulb we have to change, right? Is that the one we're changing?
That's the suction cup you gotta take off
Yeah.
first.
So we're gonna take that off.
Sadly.
Come on, you can record from underneath. There, that's came off. I unscrewed it. Now let me.
It didn't come off. It's still there, bro. I see it.
There, see what
Yeah,
that
it
was.
came off.
And then
What am I looking at?
what? I don't know.
Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, there you are. Ta-da. There
Yeah.
she is. Look
And
at her.
we have to take that
Zasranец,
metal
you
thing
know?
off, right? Right here, metal thing.
It's like a wire you gotta take off.
Like a metal wire.
You don't know how to take it off? Let's get over.
Bro, no.
Watch the professional.
Oh, bro, I got it. Which side is it on, left or right?
I don't know. I have to see it. Because it's like a wire you gotta take off.
Metal?
Yeah, it's a metal wire. You gotta unhook it, and then you take the bulb out.
You gotta unhook it.
You have to unhook the wire, take the bulb out, change the bulb, put it back on, and then you have to use like
a screwdriver?
You might have to use a screwdriver, actually.
Trying to get it off from there, that?
No, don't break it, bro.
Okay. Okay. Now it's Matthew's turn. He says he knows how to do all this. Tipa.
Tipa. Okay, where's that? So, you gotta push it.
That's what I was doing, bro.
I know, you were pulling it out. You didn't even push it in. See?
What the heck? It doesn't screw on?
No, like I told you, you were thinking, ooh, как снимай, как снимай.
Let me see how bad it is. Maybe у тебя хорошая она. Ну чего ты там смотришь? Я тебе голову только это... Let me see it. Take it out.
No.
Oh, it's still attached. I forgot. Let me see that sucker.
It's gonna look bad.
What broke? You sure? What the heck?
It looks.
You think you could turn on the lights to see if it works without putting it in?
What do you mean?
What if that one's good and there's something wrong with your electrical?
Can you? Don't turn it on yet. You're gonna shock the mess out of me.
Okay. Alright. Nope. Alright. Plug it. We're gonna now plug in the new one. And make sure the new one actually. Ow. That hurt. Careful, bro. You need a band-aid now?
I'm gonna look at kiss.
Oh yeah, it's bad. Bro, look. See right here on the right, see right here? That's supposed to be connected. That's not. It's literally dangling. Oh, actually, wait. We'll see test to make sure. Are you gonna yell at me while I'm holding the light? That I'm not pointing in the right direction?
Yeah, man. It's like back to go. I think right. Where is this thing supposed to go?
This low beam or high beam? Low beam, da. So this is the low beam one. So this is only
Because I need this thing to be in the
Oh. Why didn't they make it universal? On semi trucks, it's a little different. You cannot mess it up. Go in. Let me see if I could at least just put it in.
Oh, bro.
My knees.
My back. You got it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I should put it in?
Yeah. Hold on. Is it you're supposed to twist it, тоже, да?
It's not really supposed to twist, you're just supposed to pop it in. You're not supposed to twist anything. You just put it in and then you just... I'm gonna stop recording.
This?
Alright, turn it on.
Here. I'm gonna turn it on, see if it works. Oh yeah!
Yeah, baby!
Заработала! Ура!
Alright. So much for your over-exaggeration.
Well, we'll see how good of a recording this is upside down, because I can't see it upside down.
Oh, well, I just wanna put it in.
Yeah, that's what he's trying to do anyways.
It's like... You're like...
Так, ребята, заработало оно.
Is that how тускло it's supposed to be?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like that?
Yeah. It's fine. It's actually pretty bright at night. Это просто тебе так кажется. So guys, now it's time to assemble everything back. Alright, все. Like, because I said we're changing light bulbs, he said, what a loser on you.
On me?
Yeah, exactly. Changing a freaking light bulb for all this.
It's like a loser.
A little dirty.
So much for a light bulb.
Huh?
So much for changing a light bulb. Don't get a Mazda, guys.
Why not?
I mean, do you want to spend $75 changing a light bulb, or you want to look like us? I mean, we look like a dealer, bro.
No, we don't. What the freak? I can't even put this thing on properly from the bottom. I'm not used to it being on the bottom. Okay.
What are you trying to put in? I already put the light bulb in.
Suction cup.
Oh, you want me to put it in?
No.
Dang, calm down. It's my car.
I'm the mechanic, though. You just hired me for $0. This is 1 hour donation work, charity work, so I can write it off on taxes.
$0.
Sorry, guys.
I forgive you.
Yep.
It looks like you're struggling.
I am. This thing is a piece of junk.
Thanks, man.
Oh.
I took your advice and bought it.
I did not know the headlights were like that.
Okay, I'm gonna go drink some tea while this guy works.
What? Without me?
I mean, you're the mechanic.
Why isn't that going in, bro?
No comment.
Oh, this is gonna be embarrassing.
Bro, let me just put it in there. It's struggling like there's like 2 minutes.
Come on. What is it?
Nah, just it.
This is the important part. I am usually good at plastics.
I'm not.
So, there, pops in. That pops in like that. And now, we just gotta screw in a whole bunch of plastics that don't make sense. Well, that's just
They
part
make
of...
dollars.
I just need one metal one. Over here. Now, where did the Phillips thing go? Where did Mr. Phil go? Mr. Phil.
I think you're sitting on him. So much for our companion. See this?
Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
What are you looking for?
Make sure I got everything. That's what I'm looking for.
I mean, if you miss some stuff, remember weight reduction.
1 ounce.
Hey man, give you like 1 pound off the wheel. How much pounds off the whole car when you're driving?
Yeah, I guess so.
I don't know if Eddie noticed, but our floors aren't exactly clean.
Oh, here. I just dropped it.
I mean, I care.
I just dropped it. Somewhere. There it is.
You're stealing my stuff.
I am not stealing your stuff, Doc. I gotta... I don't think that's going anywhere.
I just viewed the license.
Not like we're,
This is probably like not work related. Yeah,
Yeah.
cops do.
I mean, can't anybody really check for your address without you knowing?
Yeah, that's what I do. Stalker.
Record that?
Yeah.
Oh, bro, why are you recording that?
I don't know, because I thought it was just off topic. I thought it was pretty cool.
Bro, record this.
Oh, sorry. You're about to lose one of my lug nuts. You gonna go get it? There it goes. Sayonara.
I'll get it, bro.
Where'd it go, bro? I got it. And there he was.
Вот покажи audience, Josh. Here, all the plastic is in and nothing is falling apart because...
Прикинь, Mazda, nothing's falling apart.
See, look, see?
See?
Except that one is missing, but that was... Oh, wait, what? The heck? No, there's one missing something.
I'm probably standing on it. What is that?
That's a piece of driftwood. Like someone calling me.
Didn't you say there was one missing anyways? Are you recording me, bro?
Just now, Matthew, what's the issue? You want me to try it? Nah, I'll do it for you.
Bro, this thing is so annoying.
Nah, record me.
Why are these lug nuts so short?
just record me, watch. No, I'll do it. Bro, nah.
I'm doing it, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Sapinala.
Now record me.
Ain't nobody got time for this. You want a tip?
What?
No, I mean, do you want a tip?
Oh, no.
sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because low-key, I hate working with cars.
Me too.
Sure.
You could stop it and then restart it again. And that's, I don't like the custom wheels when they have to have a special one. I mean, no one can really steal your expensive rims, but...
Yeah, but you probably can't take them off either.
Exactly. But can you imagine if this was a whole nut too? We'd be screwed.
Oh, literally.
They do have those
Screwed,
mods.
bro.
They do have those mods. Docs. Okay, where's this big boy here?
I just hope there's no cats in my garage, bro.
Ну и что?
What do you mean?
Просто
there's-
туалет пойдут в гараже.
No, they're gonna die in there.
No, they won't. Cats live for like 10 days without food.
Yeah, well, I'm still surprised the other cat lived because we cursed with the door.
Yeah.
I bet you if I start making meow noises, they might come over here. Okay, why am I doing that?
I don't know. You've been funny in the video.
No, I'm not. I'm
Bro,
actually-
look. We got dirty for just changing a light bulb out of all things.
Yeah, man, I gotta go change. Look at my knees, bro.
That's fine. Yeah, but you come when you're dirty.
I think they like the other kind of dirty.
Huh?
No.
Now, I'm gonna tighten. Okay, you can stop recording. So guys, this is how you change a light bulb in a Mazda. I'm just gonna finish tightening this up, and there's nothing really important.
Yeah, sadly.